All right, ladies and gentlemen, so let's talk about how do we insert a works cited page into a Microsoft Word paper. It's going to depend a little bit on what version of Word you're using. Version I'm using is on a Mac, obviously. I'm running Microsoft Word for Mac 2011, so yours might look a little bit different than mine, but what I'm in is document elements. And what we're looking for somewhere in here is references. And you can select the format that we want to use. We're going to use MLA for our internal investigation, internal assessment. And what I want to do is I want to manage the list of my sources. So I'm going to click this. And notice there's nothing in this list, but there's a plus down at the bottom. I click that, and I select the type of thing that it is. If it's a book, notice it changes what's there. There's some things that have the asterisks. Those must be put in. The rest of it, if there's other things that you notice in your source, you would list that here and it will automatically format it the way it's supposed to be. If it's a website, right here. If it is an interview with somebody. If it's a film that you're using. You would put in all of these things. So let me just put in an example here. We'll go website. Author is me. The name of the web page is my math paper. The URL will be https://www.mypage.com/wow. The year, well, this is 2014. The month is March. The day is the 18th. That's when I'm recording this. Year accessed is going to be 2014. Month accessed. So this year, month, and day would be the year, month, and day that the web page was made, if you can find it. Otherwise, you would just list it as today, I think would be the most appropriate thing to do. And there we go. If there was an editor, I'd put it in. If there was a producer, I'd put it in. But I'm just going to hit OK. And there we go. My math paper. And now I'm going to close this. And so it automatically inserted a citation there. You can delete that. You don't have to give citations throughout the paper. If you want to cite resources, you can. But simply having a works cited at the end is going to suffice. And what we do to put the works cited in is once you have your list managed here, and once you have this populated, and for our first assignment we should have 5 items in this list, at the end of your paper all you're going to do is push enter. I'm going to go up to insert break. I want to insert a page break so I'm on a fresh page. I go up here to my references, bibliography, select works cited, and there we go. Here's my works cited page. It will automatically spit out exactly what MLA format would be. So there we go. It's that easy. You put in the things that are required for each source, then you tell it you want a bibliography. Good to go. Should be easy. If you need help finding these things in Word, ask. See somebody at school. See your English teacher. See me. See Mrs. Ling in the Learning Commons. But this should be pretty easy for us. I hope it works well.